helping hand. Let's help out around the land. A cute little girl says with a smile, I'll help Mommy for a while. Grab a broom and come along. Join our cleaning helper song. Pick up toys, one by one. Cleaning can be lots of fun. Teddy bears go on the shelf. I can do it by myself. Blocks and dolls I'll put away, making room for fun and play. Sweep the floor, sweep, sweep, sweep the floor, till it's clean from door to door. Move the dust and crumbs away, helping Mommy every day. Broom goes swish across the ground, cleaning all around. Wipe the table, wipe, wipe, wipe the table clean. The shiniest table ever seen. Round and round the cloth will go, making everything glow. Helping hands work with care, cleaning everywhere. Laundry time, put the clothes into the basket. Helping Mommy with the task is great. Shirts and socks and pants so neat, keeping everything complete. Fold them nicely one by one. Laundry time is fun. Happy home, now the house looks clean and bright. Everything is shining right. Mommy smiles and says thank you. I'm so proud of helping you. A tidy home for